underneath of here. In the very middle is the hood release. Not sure if you can see, it's kind of dark in there. Pull the hood release. On the Ranger, the release is on the right hand side. Push it towards the middle and lift up. Easier to do with your hands on the camera. Once you get a lift, the prop goes right there. The prop goes down here. Got our prop in the hole, and our hood's up. Now the air filter is, there's the intake. Air filter's in the front left corner. If you're staring at the vehicle, technically it's the passenger side front. So the air filter on this vehicle is really easy. There's a clip in the front, clip in the back. Pull up on the clip, pull up on the clip. Once you get the clips out, I have to set the light down and do this again, but pretty much push towards the driver's side, and that pulls up out of there. And there's your old air filter. And that one actually looks pretty darn good, which is quite amazing. So there's my new filter. Like I said, the old filter, I was expecting worse than that, because like I said, we just got the vehicle, so I'm not sure what had been done to it, but the oil was nasty, so I figured this would be. So I'm gonna lift this up. It only fits one way. If you try to turn it sideways, not gonna fit. There's no front back, but there's definitely a left and right. Once you get that there, again, push this back towards the driver's side. Flex under there. Now on the back side, there are 3 tabs back here. Make sure you slide the 3 tabs underneath of there first. And then you should be able to lift this up, clip it down, lift it up, clip it down. If it doesn't go that easy, you've probably got something in there wrong. Pull it apart and start over again. And that's all there is to changing the air filter. This should take you 2 minutes, 5 if you take your time, 10 if it's real dirty and you want to clean everything while you're under there. Super easy job to do. Last thing, shutting the hood. Back to your prop. Push up a little bit. Prop comes out. Prop goes back in its holder, and hood closed. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't already.